Welcome to the W2 Capitalist Pro community. This community is built especially for investors or aspiring investors like you. If you have a growth mindset and want to surround yourself with like-minded investors who are working a full-time job and you're ready to scale up to the next level. My team and I are putting together the W2 Capitalist Pro community because we've heard you, and like you, we also have experienced similar frustrations with other platforms. If you're looking to surround yourself and really connect with other like-minded folks that can help you grow your investment portfolio and your investing experience, then the W2 Capitalist Pro community is going to be right for you. Networking is going to be the name of the game here, and I know it's super hard to do that during this pandemic and through forum-style websites, right? And if you're asking, Jay, does this mean you are moving the W2 Capitalist community off of Facebook groups? The answer is yes. It has taken several years to grow that community, but I hear all of you, and you're tired of what's going on Facebook, not to mention that every 3 to 4 posts that we see are ads. And on top of that, even though I'm the administrator of the group, with all the bells and whistles turned on, right, I still don't get notified when you post. I personally have a problem with that. I want to know when you post, right? I want to see your post. I want to see your question. And the Facebook algorithm has been deciding what's best for me. And more, it believes that I don't need to see your post. That's an issue for me personally. So yes, we are leaving the Facebook shenanigans behind, along with all their ads, along with all the other distractions. And we're moving to a platform where we can really connect and have more meaningful conversations with like-minded individuals, where you can potentially collaborate and maybe even partner with, right? This is going to be a thriving community with hundreds of people, with exclusive events such as Ask Me Anythings and challenges that, if you want to participate, will push you to mentally and physically grow your investing business. We're also going to expand or extend the book club. That is something that we do now currently just in the mastermind for the mastermind members, but we're going to extend the book club to the greater community, which means every month or every 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to get introduced to a new read, and there's going to be daily questions that you're going to be able to interact with and make you really think about what it is you're focusing on. The W2 Capitalist Pro community champions all investing niches, all investing experience levels, all different W2s and all different 1099s in a safe and welcoming environment. If you are committed to growing your wealth and growing your knowledge of real estate investing, and you don't want to do it alone, I want to invite you to apply to become a member of the W2 Capitalist Pro community. Just so you know, applications are reviewed on a first come, first served basis, and they are reviewed one by one. And I'd love for you to apply right now to claim your spot in line, and we're going to get back to you as soon as we can, right? So thanks so much for watching this to the end, and I'll see you on the inside.